Let's get a little banana salsa going here. Let's peel quickly here. We don't have a lot of time because they start to oxidize really quickly. So, quick. There we go. Let's do one more. And I'll see if I need that last one. So, half. Just want to get a little dice going here. So I'm cutting them all the same size so that they marinate at the same pace. Here we go. That's all finished. Let's get it into the bowl. So, you got to get these bananas in now. And before they go brown, we've got to add some citric acid to this. And we're going to use some limes here today. Roll, roll, roll your boat. There we go. Get that lime on there. There we go. That will stop the browning. And that's also going to add a nice little bit of flavor to it. Toss, toss, toss. Little red onion for that kick and crunch. Little bell pepper, red, for sweetness and for color. Now I've got to slice, nice little toss. I've got to slice some of our mint here. And since this is really nice mint, just roll it up. There we go. Put that in. Beautiful color and flavor, that mint, spearmint. Now it's time to add a few of our wet ingredients. Let's just fold that in nicely. See how that's coming together really nice? So, splash of orange juice. Again, citric acid will help so it won't go brown. Little maple syrup for sugar. There we go. Just move that off to the side. And now the chipotle. This is a smoked pepper packed in a little tomato. And we'll use 3 of them. Better be sparing. Better to go light than heavy on this. We'll just cut that up. Turn it around. Make sure it's minced nicely. Now, you can use dried or you can use the canned stuff. It's really up to you. I have some dry stuff here, and if you want to use dry, very simply, rehydrate them. Put them back into some warm water, 20 minutes, they're ready to go. Nice little fold in here. So we have this smoky flavor, and we have our bananas now that are smoked because of the chipotle. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Little salt, little pepper. Here we go. This is coming together really nicely. Give this a little taste. Peppers, the onions, and the chipotle, and the banana, woo! Little plastic wrap. Throw these into the fridge for 2 hours. Any longer, the bananas will go mushy.